calculate the focal length of equiconvex lens with the help of plate mirror. Apparatus required: vertical iron stand, biconvex lens, equiconvex lens, plate mirror, sharp pointed pen, and meter scale. Here this apparatus is kept on a base, tripod base, in which we should make sure that it should be stable on a plane surface. It should be kept. Now, mirror and over it equiconvex lens is kept. Sharp pointed pen is placed in the holder. First step to form image. I got the image of the pen. Second step is to coincide object and image by taking it down or by taking it up, by taking the end or behind. Third step should move together. Object and image should move together. Removal of pen lens together. In the third step, I got this removal of pen lens. Both the object and the image are moving together. Then I measure the distance from the tip of the pen to the base of the lens as x centimeter. I found it is 10.4 centimeter, and the distance of the pen from the tip of the iron pen to the top of the mirror or the center of the lens, 9.7. Once I have done, second time I have repeated, I found the same. Third time it is same. I have noted down the reading. In place of x, 10.4 everywhere and 9.7. Formula is f is equal to x plus y by 2. After solving it, I got the focal length is f is equal to 10.05 centimeter. 10.05 centimeter. In this formula use f is equal to x plus y by 2. Calculation sigma x upon n. All the three ratios are added, divided by 3. Here the result is focal length of biconvex lens is 10.05 centimeter. Question number 1. The apparatus. Second, experiment should be performed in bright light. Iron pen used should be straight and sharp. Number 3, we should take minimum 3 readings to overcome error. Dear students, experiment number 5. In this object, to calculate the refractive index of water with respect to air, A, mu, W. Apparatus required: vertical iron stand, sharp pointed pen, meter scale, concave. Here, observation table, first, second, third, what we have to do, we have made observation table. In this, we calculate the perpendicular distance from tip of the pen to base of mirror, say x centimeter, length. Second, distance from tip of the pen to water surface, here, y centimeter, and then ratio. I have kept the vertical iron stand on the stool, plain horizontal surface. Set the pen first of all and the mirror such that to form first step on image. Image from opposite direction, I got it. Again I have replaced, I got it at the same place. And second step to coincide also. And third step, they should move together. Moving together, I found that this place, I got the right place in which all the three conditions are fulfilled. Coinciding, coming from opposite side, and no parallels, moving together. I had recorded the reading from the meter scale from the tip of the pen to the base of the mirror. 8 centimeter. Here it was found to be 40 centimeter. 3 times I did repeated my experiment. I found the same. It means correct. Then few traces of water were spread out on the concave mirror, evenly spread. This apparatus should be kept away from fan, doors, windows. Air should not make the water to move. Okay? Should be still. And again I have repeated the same experiment to form the image first. So to form image, I have taken it up, down. First I got the image lower than the level of this. Form the image. Then coincided by setting it, taken away or towards it. And third step, remove parallax. All three conditions are fulfilled. And then I recorded the reading as from the tip of the pen to the surface of the mirror. It was found to be 30. 3 times I repeated is 30. So I filled all these readings in my observation table. When I calculated the ratio, it comes as 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1.33. Calculated, formula use x over y, calculation sigma x over n. It was come to be 4 by 3 or 1.33. Now, result is the refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 by 3 or 1.3. Yeah? Precautions.